Hey everyone, today we're diving into something that can speed up AI agent building by 100x. Yes, you heard that right. So, assuming you have seen our video on AI agents before, in short, AI agents are a combination of LLM plus some tools. Now, imagine you've built an AI agent managing each of these tools individually. It can turn your project into a debugging nightmare. I'm sure many of you have felt that pain. Our team definitely felt that. Endless code fixes, broken UI selectors, and constant OAuth headaches. That's where MCP comes into the picture. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, and it's designed to bridge the gap between large language models and real-world applications. In short, it's the source for all the tools required by LLM to operate as an AI agent. Last week, our team was automating our social media posting on LinkedIn. Let me explain the components of MCP for that scenario. This is your AI, like GPT-4 or Claude. It writes your post and knows how to tell LinkedIn what to do. It acts like a smart manager, giving clear instructions. The AI needs information to work well. MCP gives it tools like get old posts or upload a new one. Resources, your LinkedIn content, files, or templates. Prompts, pre-written formats for posting. Everything the AI needs is ready and easy to use. This part handles how the AI and LinkedIn talk. MCP ensures the AI knows what tools it can use, follows simple rules to get things done. Just say, post this on LinkedIn, and MCP makes it happen. You don't need to build anything. MCP servers offer tools like Post to LinkedIn or Get Stats. MCP clients send your AI's requests. Your AI writes the post, MCP clicks the buttons. That's it. Your AI agent just mastered LinkedIn. Great, but now your boss wants to automate Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. With MCP, scaling is easy. It's just changing a line of code on the required MCP server. MCP's secret? Pre-built tools for every platform. No new code, no API hurdles. Just select the right MCP server for your chatbot, which acts as an MCP client, and your AI agent can start posting cross-platform in under an hour. And your boss is a happy man now. That's it. If you want to dive deeper into MCP, don't forget to visit our blog. Link is provided in the description.